Jesus' beauty uncharted, joy unbounded, blessings freely granted, fun and fulfillment, living in the moment. Welcome to India. Welcome to India. Welcome to India, is where it all started. Welcome to India, the trip you always wanted. Jesus Krishna, Durgana, Buddha, Ramasta. Divinity is soul of the spirit, the land where all worship. Find your freedom in this wisdom. Mind and body get started. Fear and anger about it. Hey, look around, hear the sound playing for you.